Hey, did you know that 97% of home sellers lose thousands of dollars on the sale of their home and they don't even realize it? There's a sucker born every minute. Don't be a sucker. In this short video, I'm exposing the hidden problem that nobody talks about when selling your home. I'm going to give you 5 mistakes and I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid them so you can get top dollar for your house. So give me a thumbs up if you're good with that. Did you hear that squeaking noise? Squeak, 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 squeak. That's your wallet. It's thanking you already. Go ahead and meet Jane. She thought selling her home would be easy. List it, get offers, cash out. But she ended up with $20,000 less than her neighbor's identical house. Why? Because 97% problem. Sellers who don't know the insider tricks that agents and top sellers use. First mistake, pricing your home wrong from day one. Only if Jane knew what she knows now. So here we are counting them down. Mistake number 5, pricing pitfalls. Here's the deal. 97% of sellers say they think they can pick a price based on Zillow or what their neighbor's house sold for. Wrong. Pricing is a science. Too low and you're leaving money on the table. And I've seen Zillow values that are off by $100,000. But if you set it too high, your home sits on the market scaring buyers who think there's something wrong. The fix? Use a psychological trick called charm pricing. Instead of listing for $500,000, go for $499,000, $700,000. Studies show that this makes buyers perceive that the price is significantly lower and it drives more bids. Jane didn't know this. She listed at a round number and she got lowballed. Don't be Jane. Next, I'm revealing an even bigger pricing mistake that's costing sellers millions. Pick the wrong number. Even the worse than pricing mistake is picking the wrong number. It's like chasing the market, and that's why Jane's home sat around unsold for 60 days. Now, if you're selling soon, this next one could cost you big time. Mistake number 4, chasing the market how you overprice your home, then keep lowering it a little at a time just to catch up with buyer expectations. Each price drop signals desperation, and buyers will lowball you even more. Now, data from the National Association of Realtors shows that if it's priced right, it sells for 30% faster in time and 5 to 10% more. So here's a solution. Do your research, but make sure you get the information not just from anybody, but the local real estate expert. Now look at this. Here's 4 agents. They all look nice. They're all licensed in the same town. But if you look at their statistics and you didn't know any better, you may make the wrong choice. The local expert always have more than just Google reviews. It's the stuff the public just generally can't see, and that's super important. They always have a higher batting average when it comes to listing and actually selling homes. Now, you want to cross-check it with recent sales, and if you still can't figure it out, give our office a call, and our team will hook you up with that local real estate expert no matter where you live in the nation. Jane ignored this. She picked one at random and then dropped her price 3 times and lost $15,000. Next up, the staging mistake that's low-key, and pros even miss it. You think staging is just decluttering? Think again. There's a micro staging hack that 97% of sellers skip, and it's costing them offers. Now, this is how to make buyers fall in love with your home without spending a dime. Mistake number 3, missing micro staging. Staging isn't just about a clean house. It's about creating an emotional connection with the buyer. And most sellers declutter and then they stop, but micro staging is where all the magic happens. For example, swap out the family photos for neutral art and help buyers imagine themselves in that space. And then add fresh flower vase on kitchen counter. If psych studies show it boosts perceived value by 3% and it makes them feel more comfortable. Jane left her cluttered fridge magnets up and buyers could not connect with her home. Pro tip, walk through your home like a buyer, and if it doesn't scream dream home, then tweak it. Up next, negotiation mistake that's a real deal killer. So you've got an offer, congratulations, but 97% of sellers blow it in the negotiations. Now there's one phrase that you should never say to a buyer's agent, and trust me, it's a game changer. Mistake 2, negotiation blunders. Negotiations, they'll either make or break your sale. The biggest mistake, saying that this is our bottom line too early in the game. It kills your leverage. So instead, you want to counter with a question. What's driving your offer? Because this opens up the dialogue and reveals their priorities. Now, according to Inman, sellers who negotiate strategically can net 4 to 7% more. Jane blurted out her bottom line and the buyer walked away on to the next house. You want to practice active listening, 2 ears, 1 mouth, and then repeat their concerns to build trust with that buyer. And next is the final mistake that's so sneaky it catches even seasoned sellers off guard. Now we're down to the final mistake, and it's the sneakiest of all. It's not about the price, it's not about the staging, it's all about the timing. It's 2025 and selling window that you just can't miss. So don't go anywhere. Mistake number 5 is bad timing. Timing your sale is everything. In 2025, interest rates keep on fluctuating. The summer market and the buyers are eager to buy before summer slows down. But here's the kicker. List midweek, not on weekends, because data proves that Tuesday listings get 15% more views. Jane listed in late fall during a buyer drought and then lost momentum. Check the local market reports with your local real estate expert so they can pinpoint your peak window. And avoid the 97% trap by planning ahead. So let's wrap this up with a plan to sell smart. Now, there's 5 mistakes that's putting 97% of sellers in a loser's bracket: wrong pricing, chasing the market, poor micro staging, bad negotiations, and terrible timing. Don't be Jane. Use these strategies to sell faster and for more money. You want a free checklist of all these tips? Pick up the phone and give our office a call at 843-839-9870 and hit that subscribe button for more insider secrets. And I'll see you in the next video. Let's get your home sold. Take care, guys.